Hiya, everyone. Displaying avatars alongside customer reviews adds a personal touch to your WooCommerce store, making reviews look more engaging and credible. However, not every customer has a gravatar or profile image associated with their email, which can lead to blank or generic avatars. A great way to handle this is by displaying avatars with the customer's initials, adding a bit of personalization even without a profile picture. In this guide, we'll walk through how to set up avatars with initials for customer reviews on WooCommerce. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Get a customer reviews plugin. Unfortunately, neither WordPress nor WooCommerce have a standard feature for displaying initials on avatars. Therefore, we will need to install a third-party plugin. Log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, and click Add New. Search for CusRev, install the plugin, and activate it. Step 2. Configure the CusRev plugin to display initials. Once you've installed and activated the CusRev plugin for reviews, go to the Plugins Settings page. This is found under Reviews, Settings, in the WordPress dashboard. Next, go to the Review Extensions tab and look for the option called Customer Avatars. Enable this option, and choose the style called Initials. Don't forget to save the settings. Step 3. Test the initials avatar display on reviews. Navigate to a product page with reviews to check how the initials avatars look. Confirm that avatars appear with initials for customers based on their names. Wrapping up. Adding avatars with initials for customer reviews in WooCommerce is a simple yet powerful way to add personality and visual interest to your review section. By following these steps, you can create a consistent, branded look for reviews even when customers don't have profile images. This guide should help you set up and customize initials avatars for customer reviews on WooCommerce. Good luck, and happy reviewing! I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.